Hi you guys, and I'm back at it again with another video, taking you guys with me on my trading journey. So yeah, today's video is on a trade I took with Silver. Um, I won, um, but after that losing trade that I talked with you all about, this is the one I took that next day. And the most important thing is nothing changed, right? I didn't try to make my money back. I didn't rush into anything. I waited for another moment that matched my rules, and when it showed up, I entered calmly, and which it did. I know you guys see that I have all these different key levels marked. So as a key level is broken, another one is created. So as you see, like this was my supply at the time, and this was my demand. It broke above it. So then this here becomes my new demand zone. And then I created a new supply zone. So yeah, um, my supply zone was broke here with a bullish engulfing candle to the upside to hit my take profit, and it hit it right in time because after that, as you see, it went in a downtrend. So yeah, this trade worked because I let it. I didn't interfere. I didn't overthink. I trusted the plan and gave it space. Sometimes the hardest part of trading is doing less, like, honestly. Like, so this is why I always say trading isn't about luck. It's about staying steady, especially after a loss. The same discipline that lets you take a loss cleanly is what allows you to take a win gracefully, right? So, for anyone new to this, winning trades don't feel dramatic, they feel calm, quiet, almost boring. And that's how you know you're doing the right thing. Me personally, that's how I feel. But other than that, this is a trade. I did nothing different. I'm sticking with my rules, supply, demand, and liquidity graph. So yeah, other than that, if you guys want me to talk about anything in particular, drop a comment below. But until then, I appreciate you guys for being here. Bye.